Hey guys, what's up? It's D-Silver17 here, and today I'm going to tell you guys my basic necessities for apps on the Mac. So again, as you guys recently saw, I bought a MacBook Pro Retina 2014. I bought the 2.6 gigahertz Intel i5, 128 gig SSD, and the 8 gigs of RAM. And I found that to be a great combination for running almost anything on, and I'm here to show you guys some of my favorite apps, games, uh, widgets, everything you could possibly kind of get for the Mac here. I'm here to show you guys my top 5 favorites. So these are basically just my top 5 necessity I use every day on my Mac. And to kick things off, number 1 is Dropbox. It says there, Dropbox is your stuff anywhere, and that pretty much holds true. If I take a picture on my iPhone, it goes to my Mac, and vice versa. So, I mean, look at this. It's pretty cool. Alright, it's not that much different from any of the other cloud-based storages in the world, but it gets the job done, and I find this thing to probably be the most instantaneous and probably the most efficient one out there. Number 2 on the list, it's Memory Clean. Memory Clean was actually one of the first applications I found and downloaded on my Mac. And unlike the Dropbox application, this can be downloaded straight from the Mac App Store. The next application on the list is iMovie. You guys might be wondering why iMovie. Well, because number 1, iMovie comes with every Mac, meaning everyone can do anything on iMovie. Number 2, this is the app I use to kind of edit all these videos. So what you just want to do is just launch up iMovie here. You can see all your projects and what you're doing. And so I have my one here. You can add titles. You can add a lot of information to it. You can see here you just have your kind of timeline going down, and then you have you can drag and drop and kind of just add files in there like that. On my Mac, it runs very smoothly. I mean, you can actually just auto-enhance everything. I don't really do that too much, though. I kind of just use manual. I find that with the auto-enhance, it kind of just oversaturates all the colors, and I just kind of don't like that. It also has this theater mode where you can kind of just see what all your movies that you just kind of made. You can import some clips. You can just make a whole new one. You can see your iPhoto library and all that other stuff. And you can also add some transitions, titles, maps, iTunes, like if you had some iTunes, just music going on there, some sound effects, GarageBand stuff. Pretty much you can do it all. Coming in at number 4 is another app that everyone has, and it comes with almost every Mac, is Pages. Pages essentially is Apple's answer to Microsoft Word. So with Pages, you can kind of insert, obviously you can type documents, but what's special about this, you can insert tables, charts, text, snaps, media, and get comments and all that. You can share this a lot more easy with than Microsoft Word. So there's a lot more options than Microsoft Word. It's free. I mean, there's no extra downloading to kind of do or anything like that. I think it's really nice. It works really efficient. I write school papers with this all the time, and I really just can't find any flaw and any reason not to include this. I do use this on a daily basis for almost everything. Maybe you want to type up a document for school or research papers and essays and all that. It just works beautifully right here, and I really just can't find any flaws. And finally, here's number 5. Coming in at number 5 on the list is Google Chrome. Google Chrome is essentially my web browser of choice when I don't need speed. I really think that Google Chrome is fast enough for everyday needs, but I just think essentially it's just not there. I think the Safari integration with Mac OS X is just far superior than any third-party browser can kind of just give. And but my third-party browser of choice would have to be Chrome. I think that all the nice thumbnails and all the nice cool features and all it's actually pretty fast. It kind of holds its own against Safari a lot of times. So the first party browsers are way faster, and honestly the third party browsers for me are just no chance. But when I'm reading documents on the web and I just kind of want to look something up, I go to Chrome. Chrome is always there. It's always there. I mean, it's just like fast. It's really fluid. I love the way it just kind of like scrolls and everything, and I just think it's probably one of the best third-party browsers out there. Thanks guys, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I'm D-Silver17. Stay tuned for more information. I really love the support going on with the MacBook content and all that. Let's try to break 10 likes on this next video, and see you guys soon.